So guys, if you've ever wondered what's on my windowsill over there growing, I'm going to show you. This here is a basil plant. We bought it at a supermarket a few months ago and we've been looking after it ever since. When I say we, I mean Becky. So what we're going to be doing today, guys, is we're going to be using this plant to make a brilliant basil pesto. It's going to be amazing. Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Paulie's Kitchen. My name is Paulie and this is my kitchen. In today's episode we're going to be making a brilliant basil pesto. It is a 2-minute fingers crossed video, so it will be 2 minutes hopefully, fingers crossed. Really quick, really simple to do, and it tastes so much better than the store-bought stuff. Everything that you will need is here. Don't worry if you missed those ingredients, I will be putting those in the info box below, so do check out there for those. And guys, at the bottom right hand corner you might see a Paulie's Kitchen watermark. Do hover over that, you'll see a subscribe button, do click it so you do receive the notification when I release my next video, which I will be using the basil pesto, hint hint. But yeah guys, in the meantime, let's crack on, let's make some basil pesto. So get your basil plant, and what you want to do is you want to pick off all of the leaves from your plant. Don't use the stalks because it will make your basil pesto bitter. So once you've got a great big pile of leaves like this, weigh them out and you want 50 grams. It's a lot of leaves. So you want 35 grams of pine nuts, 35 grams of parmesan cheese and a garlic clove chopped up. Get your blender, throw in your basil leaves, pop in your pine nuts and grate in your parmesan cheese. Top up with your garlic cloves. Hey, I'm going to throw a bottle of extra virgin olive oil around. I'm going to bounce it around. Watch this, ready? Bounce, bounce, lovely. Right, I've stopped messing around and we want 50 ml of this as well. Add some salt, grind in some pepper, put the lid back on and switch on your blender and blitz it all up. If you find it a little bit dry, you can always put more extra virgin olive oil in there. So once it's all blended, turn off your blender, take off the lid, and what you want to do is you want to scrape out all your basil pesto into a bowl, just like that, really simple. And voila, you have one bowl of bright emerald green basil pesto. So yeah guys, that's how you make a fresh basil pesto. Really quick, really simple to do. There is no cooking, it looks absolutely amazing. I mean, just look at that bright emerald green colour. Unfortunately, my poor plant is not so well. Hope it recovers. But anyways, thanks for watching. Do hit that subscribe button, do hit that bell button so you do get the notifications when I release my next video, which will be really soon, and I'm going to be using that hint hint. But anyway guys, take care of yourselves until next time. I'll see you later. Bye bye.